Then we need some onion and chili to add in this eggs. So we will chop this onion, then we will add all of this on it. Then we add some salt on it as you taste. Then we will mix it together. It's done. Now I will cook it. At first we need to on the stove. Like now I will take a pan and then I will fry it. It smells so good and it's done. And now I will eat it. It's ready for eating. Do you have any question?
Yes, I have a question.
Um,
What ingredients makes your egg?
I just mix some salt, a little bit salt, and then I add some onions. Then I also add a chili for flavor. So it's
Okay. Okay, thank you.
welcome. Then do you have any question?
Yes, I have question for you. What kind of egg do you like?
I really like eggs, like any way. I like boiled egg, fried egg, and half-boiled egg. Anything. Thanks for your question.
Welcome.
Rasha, do you have any question for me?
Yes, I have any question. Do you eat eggs anytime when you are hungry?
Nice question. Sometimes when I feel hungry, I just fry egg because it's very easy to make, but not always. I just eat it sometimes when other ingredients are like noodles and other thing is not available in our home, then I just fry it to eat. So thanks.
থ্যাংক ইউ সবাই একটা হাততালি দাও ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ রেনি